Like a lot of people, we love watching the latest shows and movies on Netflix. And as big fans of the hit fantasy series House of Dragons, we've been eagerly awaiting the release of Season 2. The thought of watching it on a giant screen has left us with anticipation. But do we really need to shell out for an expensive TV or screen? Not necessarily. We had been searching for an alternative that wouldn't cost us much, but we would get a pretty satisfying viewing experience. And then we found the Orzen Boom 3, an all-in-one projector that offers a budget-friendly alternative. With built-in speakers and a user-friendly setup, it's designed to bring our favorite shows to life right in our living room. So, in this video, we've decided to put the Orzen Boom 3 to the test and see if it's up to the hype. When the Orzen Boom 3 arrived on our doorstep, we were really excited to unbox it. Inside the box, we found the projector itself, neatly packed with protective foam. Alongside it, we got a power cord, an HDMI cable, and a remote control. The remote has buttons for Netflix, YouTube, and Prime Video. But keep in mind that it requires two AAA batteries, which aren't included, so you'll need to have those on hand. Overall, everything we needed to get started was right there to make the whole setup process as painless as possible. Taking a closer look at the Orzen Boom 3, the build quality feels great for its price range. It's compact and easy to move around, which is a plus as long as we didn't want a permanent setup. And it has a tripod mount under it, so setting it anywhere was really easy. The design is simple and functional, with a matte finish that doesn't attract fingerprints. In terms of connectivity, Orzen didn't disappoint. We've got two HDMI inputs, perfect for connecting laptops or streaming devices. There are also two USB slots, which come in handy for playing media directly from a flash drive. Additionally, there's an auxiliary audio input if you prefer using external speakers, although this projector does have built-in speakers. Speaking of built-in speakers, the Orzen Boom 3 hides them neatly behind the removable back panel. It's a decent-sized speaker that claims to deliver enough audio quality for a small to medium-sized room. Now let's talk about what really matters: picture quality. In our experience, we found that the Orzen Boom 3 offers a native resolution of 1080p, which is pretty impressive for a projector in this price range. We've used it both in dark and light rooms, and it performed best in the dark room. The colors were vibrant, and the details were sharp enough to make House of the Dragon look good on our wall. However, there are some limitations. When we shifted to a well-lit room, the picture quality did take a hit. The colors started to wash out, and the image lost its sharpness. So, if you're planning to use this projector during the day, or in a bright space, you might be disappointed. It's clear that the Orzen Boom 3 is designed for evening use or rooms where you can control the lighting. While it's not going to compete with high-end projectors or 4K TVs, the Orzen Boom 3 holds its own. The image stays sharp and clear, even when you're pushing the maximum screen size of 200 inches. One of the key considerations when choosing a projector is the optimal viewing distance. The Orzen Boom 3 comes with a projection size range of 40 to 120 inches, which gives us plenty of flexibility in our small living space. Orzen recommends placing the projector between 8 to 15 feet from the screen or wall, depending on how large you want your image to be. We found that the perfect spot for our setup was around 8 to 10 feet from the wall, where the image size was just perfect for our living room. The projector's throw ratio of 1.2 by 1 means it can be placed relatively close to the screen, which is a huge plus for those of us with limited space. Let's talk about the audio performance. As we mentioned, the built-in speakers were surprisingly good. We tested the Orzen Boom 3 while watching House of the Dragon, and here's what we found. Conversations are clear, and you won't have to strain to hear what's going on. However, when it came to action sequences, the speakers started to show their limitations, as the bass wasn't as deep as we'd like. And while the audio was loud enough, it lacked the richness and depth of a dedicated sound system. If you're planning on hosting a movie night, or want to really immerse yourself in the action though, you might want to connect external speakers through the auxiliary input. For those who want an even more cinematic experience, the projector also has an auxiliary audio input, which allows you to connect external speakers or a soundbar. So, how much does all this good stuff cost? While the Orzen Boom 3 retails for $499, it's often available below MSRP in most cases, which we think is an affordable option. Compared to the high-end TVs and projectors on the market, this is a fraction of the price, but it still delivers a truly impressive viewing and listening experience. In our opinion, the Orzen Boom 3 is the perfect solution for budget-conscious consumers who still want to enjoy a top-notch entertainment setup. The combination of 1080p HD visuals, built-in speakers, and a versatile design make it a fantastic value proposition. So, is the Orzen Boom 3 the right choice for you? If you're looking for an affordable, easy-to-use projector that delivers good performance for the price, it's definitely worth checking out.